Do you want to learn how to log out of Notion Mail? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So I'm on Notion Mail right now, and they don't have a physical button in order to log out. So what you need to do is instead of mail.notion.so, you have to go with the main website, which is notion.so. On the top left, click on this, click on logout of all accounts. And then you're going to find the emails which are connected here, which are the same emails that you see here. If you just want to log out from one of these accounts, you can click on this on the right hand side, these three dots, and click on logout. Or you can also click on this logout from all accounts on the bottom. So let's click on these three dots and log out. And now I'm logged out from that email. So if I go over here and I reload this page, and now if I click on this on the top left, this drop down, I'm not going to find that other email which we have just logged out from notion.so. If you want, you can add another account by clicking on this button, which is going to take you straight to the login page. And from here, you can continue with Google and connect your other Google accounts. And that's it. That's how to log out or sign out of Notion Mail. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Notion Mail tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.